Hello everyone, this is Stephen Balch, your instructor for Computer Information Systems at Ozarka College. Today what I'm going to do is give you a little bit of feedback on the Module 8 activities that I finished grading this morning, and then tell you a little bit about the Module 9 activities which are due early next week. Okay, so the first thing is, like I said, I did finish grading the Module 8 activities this morning. They were due Friday of last week. And so I'd graded some of them last week, but the ones that were turned in late on Friday, or really any time on Friday, I went ahead and graded those this morning. So if you haven't already gone in and looked at your grades for those activities and read the grading comments, go ahead and do that as soon as you can, and let me know if you have any questions at all. Most of you did well on the Module 8 activities. So keep up the good work on that. Most of you are putting the time and effort in that's needed to do well in this class. So keep up the good work on that. The discussion that we had about government search and seizure of computers, I thought that went very well. We looked at specifically the ethical implications of that. And also we looked at some of the new technologies that are coming, that may come about, that may make that even more of an ethical consideration. And like I said, I really appreciate everyone's participation on the discussion. So keep up the good work on that as well. Remember, on the module test, you can take those as many times as you want to up until the due date, and your highest grade is recorded. All right, so if we look at the activities page of my Ozarka, right now we are on the beginning portion of week 13 of this semester. So we really just have a few weeks left in this semester. We're getting very close to the end here. But this week we don't have anything due, but we do have work due early next week, specifically Monday, November 17th. So 1 week from today, we have the Module 9 activities due. Now, Module 9 covers networks and network devices. And earlier in the semester, we talked in general about networks, what they are, how they operate, some of the equipment that's used for networking. But in this particular module, we're going to look at a lot more specifics as far as different types of networks, different types of, for example, network architectures and so forth, layouts of networks, different specific devices that are used for networking. Specifically in Module 9, we'll look at types of communication networks, again, network architectures that I just mentioned, network standards and protocols, which are kind of like the guidelines or rules for networks. We'll also look at different types of communication lines, communication devices, physical transmission media, and finally, at the very end of the module, we'll learn about wireless transmission media. All right? So that's Module 9, so be working on those activities. You've got the assignment, test, and discussion, again, all due by Monday of next week, November 17th. So let me know if you have questions as you're working on those activities. And that's really all I have for you for today, so enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, and I will talk to you again sometime next week. Thank you.